a short video, step-by-step instructions on how to use your Acne-Stop Kit in the night. For those who have very minor breakouts, please start from cleanser and toner. Remember to shake toner. After the toner, we would recommend to use a derma roller every other day. Please roll on a clean skin without any active ingredients. So cleanser, toner, roller. We have a special video how to use roller. It will be down below. Please watch it. Please roll also around the eyes. This will help to eliminate little fine lines and wrinkles, but overall your active ingredients will penetrate so much deeper when you use the roller. After you use the roller, let's look at your skin and analyze it. If you see just couple breakouts here and there, you have this Acne-Stop Silk Touch treatment. Please take a little bit, put topically on each breakout and let it work for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, please apply 4 or 5 drops of AHA Skin Perfecting Serum directly to your skin, massage it, and go to sleep. Then if your skin is really dry, you can apply also Super Berry Cream, but you need to wait at least 15 minutes after applying AHA Skin Perfecting Serum. Next night, we will alternate our products. So cleanser, toner, no need derma roller, but we want to just apply Silk Touch Acne-Stop treatment first on some breakouts, and then wait 10-15 minutes, and after that you have this product. It calls Vitamin A. Take just a little bit and apply all over your face. Also remember to apply around the eyes. Also friends, one more product that goes every night on your skin. It's Nano Bliss Eye Cream. And eye cream you will always apply after your serums. So anything you apply on your skin, vitamin A or AHA, just wait a little bit and then just tap Nano Bliss Eye Cream underneath your eye, then also on top of your eye. And if you're applying berry cream, it will be applied after eye cream all over your face. And also remember that all these ingredients are very active, so please reapply sunscreen in a daytime. If you have any questions, please contact us. We are available every day from 8 in the morning till 8 p.m. and we are here for you. We will be so happy to answer any questions or give you a complimentary consultation.